always, or if it's your first time here, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. And if you haven't already, please, please, please join the Allee-Waves family. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and turn on post notifications. Oh, thank you so much for taking the time to be here today. Obviously, we are back in my kitchen. We haven't cooked together in so long. And I, over the holidays, made this chili cheese dip that we've made for years and years and years in my family. I absolutely love it. My grandmother found this recipe on a talk show ages ago, brought it to Christmas one year, and we've all loved it ever since. It's super easy, cheap, quick, and it's a party favorite. So let's jump into everything you need to make this chili cheese dip.
All right, fam, all you're gonna need for this recipe is one 12-ounce jar of salsa, one 15-ounce can of chili with or without beans, 8 ounces of cream cheese, 16 ounces of sour cream, and 8 ounces of shredded Mexican cheese or a cheese of your choice.
All right, that recipe as well as all the instructions are gonna be in the description box down below if you should need them. Now you know what you need. Let's jump into assembling our dip. So those are your ingredients. You're gonna start by taking your block of cream cheese and your sour cream, and we're gonna mix those together, and that's gonna be our base layer. All right, so put your white ingredients together, and I'm gonna just use a fork to kind of cut up the cream cheese. I let it sit out for a while and get really soft, and I don't worry too much about getting it perfect because this is going to bake, it's going to melt. So I'm gonna do that now, and we'll come right back. The reasons I like this recipe is because you don't have to be too precise. Look, I just eyeballed half of my sour cream. This is what the mixture looks like. Like I said, it can be chunky because it's gonna bake. I put this layer on the bottom because the next layer is gonna be a little bit more watery because it has our salsa. So this is gonna be the toughest one to spread. So I greased my baking sheet, our pyrex. So now let's go get this in the bottom. On the count of 3, 1, 2. Okay, so we've got our bottom layer down. Now we're gonna take our salsa and our chili, and you can get as bougie as you want to with these ingredients. If you want a homemade chili, go for it. If you want a homemade salsa, go for it. I'm doing this affordable and easy for y'all. So I got Kroger brand and Hormel with no beans. I'm gonna mix these together and then we'll layer them on. Again, I'm never that precise with this. Oh my gosh. Hold on. I might have to get a fork. Spatula? Spoon? You think? I'll just use this. Okay, so again, I never get too precise with this. You are going to want to use the whole can of chili, but as far as the salsa goes, it says you want to use, 12 to 14 ounces. I got this mild one from Kroger. I'll just pour most of it out. I don't want it to be too runny, but again, this does not have to be super precise. You guys are all really great chefs. I get a lot of comments from a lot of people with ways you could alter or improve recipes, so really make it your own. But I just like it because it's so easy. If I could get this dang jar open, I would. Hold on, 3, 2, 1. I got it. All right, so like I said, I'm just gonna eyeball it, pour in most of the salsa. Let's see how that looks. Mix it together a little. I still have some chili left in the can. Like I said, I'll empty this out. And the Hormel always tastes great to me. This is what we've used for years and it's awesome. But like I said, like you do the ingredients how you want to do them. This is just my affordable, cheap, easy way to do this. So if you're a Kroger brand girl like me, go for it. But if you're Top Chef, make it gourmet and just send me a sample to try. All right, this looks right to me. This is what our next layer should look like. So now let's take it and add it on here. Ah. All right, so we have our salsa and chili layer on. And if you wanted, you could make smaller layers. I know some people do that. It's really beautiful. I just make it easy. Then our last layer is gonna be our shredded cheese. And I love cheese. I'm in a family of cheese lovers, so I make this layer super thick. Again, make it your own, add whatever kind of cheese you would like. Let's go get this good and covered. Fam, and here is our finished dip. Of course, Once you're done preparing it, you're gonna wanna preheat your oven to 350 degrees and you're gonna bake it for around 20 minutes. Just keep your eye on it. I like to watch for when it bubbles around the outside and when all the cheese is melted, then you pull it. I serve it with Fritos scoops. I'm gonna cut here. We're gonna come back for a taste test with my family on Christmas Eve, so let's get that coverage now. And our dip is done. Let's go do a communal taste test. What is your review of the chili cheese dip?
1 to 10, is that how we're doing it?
Sure.
10.
10. Kinkle, how would you rate the dip?
8.5. Honest crowd.
Please!
Yes, ma'am.
All right,
How do you rate it?
Evangeline, do you like the dip?
Did she try it
Holler
yet?
at me?
Do you like the dip?
She wants a little.
You want a little ice? Hunter, what do you think?
Oh, I would rate it 10 out of 10.
Thank
Holiday
you.
staple.
Yes. Piwa?
10.
Okay. Husband?
11 out of 10.
Oh.
Now come back to
Now, what do you think?
He's like,
Alright.
I'll be honest, a 7.
Earlier, it's to 10.
Oh yeah, it's a 10. And that is it for today's video. Oh my goodness, thank you all so much for taking the time to watch it. Truly, it means the world to me. I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you make it, let me know in the comments down below. And a lot of chefs come through the channel who have great ideas for how to modify or improve a recipe. Don't be shy, let me know what you would do or share a recipe that you love in the comments down below. I love you all so much. I appreciate you watching and I can't wait to see you next time right here on Alleyways. Bye.